Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to refund an Audible membership easily. First, ensure you have an active Audible account. You can generally return titles purchased within the last 12 months. This straightforward process applies to most audiobooks you might have accidentally bought or simply didn't enjoy. Understanding these initial steps helps streamline your refund experience, ensuring a smooth return process. To begin, log into your Audible account using a web browser on your computer or phone, as the app has limited options for refunds. Once logged in, navigate to your account details. You'll typically find this under your username or a greeting like "Hi, your name." From there, select Purchase History to view all your recent audiobook acquisitions. This section lists everything you have bought, making it easy to identify the title you wish to return. Next, scroll through your purchase history to find the specific title you want to return. Locate the Return Title button, which usually appears right next to eligible purchases. Click this option, and you will be prompted to select a brief reason for the return from a short list of choices. Sometimes, you can also select Other if your reason is not explicitly listed. Confirming your choice helps Audible understand your feedback. After selecting your reason and confirming the return, you will receive an email notification almost immediately, detailing your refund request. The refund itself typically processes within about 7 to 10 business days. Your credits or funds will then be returned to the original payment method you used for the purchase, or sometimes as an Audible credit. Keep an eye on your email for further updates and confirmation of the completed refund.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.